Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, lower lobby's time limit. Lowering the lobby's time limit is also an effective way to remove the Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. Simply, go to the room settings. Second, click the left arrow of time to reduce the time limit from 600 to 360 or 180. Finally, hit confirm to apply this change. Then launch the game and check if the communication error disappears. If that doesn't work, try removing FPS unlock. If you have unlocked the FPS limit, it may be the reason why the connection timeout error occurs. In this case, you can remove the FPS unlock. Here are the steps. Press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and type %local app data %. After that, give it a go and then access the Sparking Zero folder. Now, get to the config folder and then open the engine file. Inside it, delete the lines from the given text to the frame limiter. After that, save the edited configuration file and then launch the game to check if it runs normally. The next thing you can do is delete the config folder. According to practice, deleting the engine file or the entire config folder can effectively address the Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. If you are not sure how to do that, you can refer to the following steps. First, get to the local app data folder and access sparking zero again. Then open the save folder and then delete config from inside of it. If the problem still persists, you can try using the Google DNS server. Google DNS has high availability and stability. Changing the current server to Google DNS can help ensure a stable and fast network connection, which may be helpful for the connection timeout error. First, open the control panel by using the Windows search box, and then access the network settings. Inside it, click on your Wi-Fi device and a pop-up window will open up. Simply access Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4, and then enable the second checkbox. After that, type in 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS server section. Then type 8.8.4.4 in the alternate DNS server section. Now save the changes and you will be good to go. So that's basically how you can fix Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.